So I think prizing is really one of the easiest ones to fix. Instead of saying things like, I'm so glad we could find some time, or I'm looking for some time to talk, or we got to set aside some time, or we have to talk about this. The most simple act of prizing is, I'm willing to take some time out of my insane schedule and give it to you so we can talk about some of the things that make you happy or are important for you. I'm willing to give you some of my time. Instead of whatever time you need, any time you need, whenever it is, I'm here from you. That is the low status, supplicating beta position from which you have no ability to get someone's attention. It's just, I am willing to find some time to talk to you. So that's step one. Easy to do. It's to stop saying, I can meet you at any time, any place, whenever you want, for any amount of time. Get control. So that's then next, the time frame. Right? I'm willing to make some time out of my schedule, and I have about 15 minutes. Now we have a time constraint. I've got about 15 minutes on Thursday in which I'll give you some of my time to talk about this important subject to you. Okay? Now is that 100% silver bullet if you just throw it out there? Maybe, maybe not. But now we're starting to get some control. So it's no longer that the teen is the prize that you're trying to win. It's no longer he can have any amount of time whenever he wants on any day. And it's no longer that you're available whenever. I have some time. I'm willing to take some time out of my schedule. Can't do it the next 2 days, Thursday, and I've got about 15 minutes. So what we're not trying to do is use some kind of power frame and force another person to do something you want. We're trying to make the conversation with you attractive. And scarcity makes things attractive. People want things they can't have. They chase things that move away from them, and they only value things that they pay for in some way. So now, if time with you becomes scarce and not an infinite resource, you're starting to attract someone to you. How you apply that in your own family is going to take some noodling and some experimentation, but this is serious forward progress to attracting someone, spend time with you in which they give you their attention, where you can vet the conversation or the issues. So I think a lot of questioning is, what's the transition to this? Do I have to ease into this? Do I have to start slowly putting time constraints or slowly putting prizing? This stuff basically works when you use it. People don't recognize a big switch, right? It's very, say, hey, wow, we're really getting busy this week with spring cleaning coming up, with Halloween coming up, Christmas, the Super Bowl is coming up, Super Bowl party, Uncle Joe is coming, leaving, they're putting on a new roof, we're getting a new yard, whatever it is, right? We're getting super busy with that. My time is precious and at a premium, and I'm willing to make some time for you, and that's how we start to apply some time constraint.